It is absolutely a different type of episode. It's a travel episode, so that's normal. I'm sure I'm gonna run a little bit, so that's definitely normal. I'm off to the East Coast with the shit. It is 4th of July morning. It is 0400, and if you're not familiar with military time, or as the world sees it, standard time.
What's the O stand for? Oh my God, it's early.
We are getting ready to head to Nashville, Tennessee. It's about a 2-day drive. This ought to be fun. Let's get inside. We'll show you the path. Alright, so any time that you are about to do any drive, especially with the trailer and you're going anywhere, even if you checked it the night before, I like to take a few minutes, walk the whole rig, make sure all the lights are on, make sure the trailer's hooked up properly. Let's get that done first. Pretty black in the truck, but let me show you the route real quick. That says 29 hours. We got a while to go. Let's get moving. So it is about 5:15 in the morning. Sorry for the sound of the back of semi-trucks. We're at our first rest stop. This is about 100 miles out of San Diego, right outside kind of the El Centro area. Now, one of the key reasons that we stop is, obviously we got a cargo load of stuff in here. One of the things I recommend, trailer safety, is pull over after a specific distance. Typically you want to drive for about an hour, pull over, check your load, check your tires, check your lights. Just do a full and complete walkthrough. So when I'm here, not only do I have to get the morning coffee out, but we need to check the load, check everything, and yeah, a bit of pee. Pretty loud. Obviously, we got tractors all around us, but if you ever come through these diesel lines, you're filling up your truck, it does it a lot quicker. And my dad's dually, he has the big boy tank in this thing, so it's really, really nice. You can go really, really far. When it says how many miles are left, that's always wrong, so you really just can't live off that. But gloves, always have gloves. This stuff is absolutely nasty. Diesel gets everywhere. These are just dumped in tanks really, really quick. But yeah. Got to get this done, and then I think we're going to go inside, grab a shower, kind of reset, and need to get another 300 miles in tonight. It is 5:30 here. We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We started in San Diego 12 and a half hours ago, an hour jump. So yeah, have fun. Let's keep going. are filled up, and we're gonna go find a parking spot. Unlike some people who will leave their vehicle at the front thinking he's a semi and just taking up a bunch of room, we don't do that. Always be polite. Remember, we're out enjoying doing this for, you know, our family and having an enjoyable experience. These men and women who are out here in these rigs are out here doing this for a living, and we want to be very courteous of that. This is their office, so whenever you're out here and you're utilizing all this stuff, just remember this is somebody's office. Make sure you're respectful. I always say get in and get out, and you know, just be polite, and yeah, yeehaw. Makes for a better day and a good day. Anyways, we found a parking spot already, so that's a win. This place isn't that packed. Right outside Albuquerque, right off the 40, and time to get inside. We got a shower, just kind of reset, and yeehaw, let's go. All right, so another thing about Flying J's and Pilots, they're all the same company. They do have an app, so like a reward center app. If you sign up for that, especially if you're filling up a diesel, you can earn money. So you can go in and buy whatever you want, food-wise or whatever. They'll tell you, hey, you have X amount of dollars. So that's pretty cool to have. Little tidbit. Now, if you're driving anything with a trailer, like I'm doing, or an RV, they do typically will have an RV pull-in station, which is what you see me at here. This is right next to the main gas pumps in the auto area. You'll see the sign when you pull in, it says auto and RV, and that typically means there's an RV area. If they don't have it, I will pull this puppy right on through the diesel pump area. The pump is way bigger, it's way faster. In fact, you can't even give it a full pull, but it works wonderful. Well, it is official. We have made it over 2,000 plus miles. I want to say it's 2,042 miles because we had to go through Nashville into Lebanon, which is about 27 miles roughly. We are here. It is 9:32 at night. I messed up the time zones. That's okay. And I don't know why somebody's calling me this late. California time. Anyways. But we got to get our stuff out. We got to get checked in. I got to make sure the trailer is completely secure. I still got a lot to do, but I'm super happy to be here. We made it safe. So yeah, it is the first day in Lebanon, Tennessee, and the heat is starting to rise. High 80s going to the 90s, humidity at probably 1,000%. But we got the K5 Blazer out. Let me show you. So as you can see, that is absolutely why we marathoned it all the way out here from California. We don't have a lot of time, so we want to make sure that we can get the rig out here, get him nice and cleaned and set up so that when he lands and gets out to the hotel, his baby is taken care of and he can go enjoy his time here. Me and my brothers will make sure that everything he needs is taken care of. I'm gonna get the trailer loaded back up with all the wheels and stuff for Raceline. We'll show you videos of their booth. Proud sponsors of Allen Racing, so thank you for the support that they have. In fact, the wheels that are on here were custom. They had designed a wheel. My dad went with them and said, hey, I want a little bit of touch here and there. They created a beautiful wheel that is on this Blazer. I'll drop a link to the description below for their website. Absolutely check them out, especially if you're into off-road. They have some awesome off-road options. And if you're into trucks like this, cars, they're gonna have all that stuff too. I'll put a link in the description below. But we got some more work to do. It's already hot and I'm gonna start sweating. So, yeehaw, let's get to it. It is Friday morning and we are at the Southeastern GMC Chevy Truck Nationals in Lebanon, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. We are at the fairgrounds. Super excited. The race line wheel booth is set up. We have the K5 Blazer is in the booth. We'll show you that. Of course, we will drive around and show you all the fun stuff there. Let's get inside. There's only one way to get around this place. It is huge. Let me show you. Golf carts. It's the only way to do it. Let's go grab one. Told y'all, only one way to do it, golf carts. Now I'm only here for a few hours, but my dad, my brother, and everybody will have fun with it, so yeehaw, let's get it. People are still pulling in. The gate's got a line of really nice trucks coming in. But we gotta head over to the race line booth, see what's going on over there. Enjoy a little vendor row. Hopefully not go broke. End of the show, but for everybody else it is just the beginning. It is Friday morning and people are still rolling in. It is packed. Don't people work on Friday? I shouldn't say anything. Look, I'm here anyways. What an incredible opportunity to be here, see all the trucks, talk to so many people. I made it out of the vendor area without maxing out a credit card, so I'm extremely excited about that. Anyways, no training in the video. The whole point was just to enjoy and have fun, but we are off to Florida. Actually, right now, flight's in like 2.5 hours. We're off to Florida. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it with a friend, leave a comment down below, all the fun crap. We got stuff to do. We will see you next week.